What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your Premiere Pro interface language. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up Premiere Pro and select to create a new project. Next, use the shortcut Ctrl and F12. On this window, make sure that you're using the Debug Database view when clicking on this burger menu. In this dialog box, look up Application Language, and this setting will show up. Depending on which language your Premiere Pro application is set to, you will see different language codes here. To change the language to English, simply use EN_EN, where the second EN is in all caps. For German, use DE_DE, and so on. After restarting Premiere Pro, you will see that your language will have changed to the one you chose. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.